Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this Hot Wheels 10-pack. And guys, I think this is the best Hot Wheels 10-pack ever. Because if we just take a look at this, all the cars are all real cars. They're not fantasy cars. So if you take a look, we have a Pontiac and also the Subaru from 2023. We have a Lotus here, two Acura NSX. We have an Audi, a Camaro, and also a Ford Shelby. We also have a Plymouth in here, which is kind of flipped, and also a Lambo. So today we're going to take a little look at it and crack it open. So, yeah. Let's pop it open now. Alright. Alright. There we go, we popped it open. There we go, pop. Alright guys, here is a 10-pack. And this car is a little bit flipped over. If we can take it out. Alright, there we go. Here we got all of our 10 cars. So today, let's just take a look at them. So the first car we're going to take a look at is, one sec. Ooh, 2012 Acura NSX Concept. Guys, I did not know that the new Acura NSX is a concept car, but I really do like the back headlights and also the logo on the back for all the detail on it. Very nice, like gray paint on the wheels. And also I do like the logo on also the front light headlight tampos, and also the light blue on it just looks very good on it. Nothing else to say about this car because it is pretty plain. But yeah, there it is. Alright guys, let's take a look at the next car. Next we got a Audi RS5 Coupe in red. I really love the cherry red with a very nice detail on the back with the little Audi logo there, and also the backlight headlight tampos. It also has some pretty cool gray wheels on this. No, I mean chrome wheels on the side. It also has lots of detail on the front. It has the whole entire grille and the front headlight tampos. This car is actually pretty detailed though. I do like the back headlight tampos, and also has a little driver's license plate. And on the front, it also does have one too. So there we go. That ruby red is very nice. Let's take a look at our second Acura NSX Concept in gray, which the whole entire car is gray. It has some different rims on it. It's the same exact design as the blue one, but all that's different is the color and the type of wheel. Also, the wheels are gray, and the whole entire body of the car is gray too. So there you go. That makes our second Acura NSX that we've got in this pack so far. Sorry, we have the Lotus Avira. So here it is, and then a very nice dark green. This thing looks so futuristic, and I also really like the back headlight tampos on it. Not really tampos, but they're like two holes in the back. Pretty cool spoiler on it, and you can really see the interior from the inside. Look at that, it has like a weird looking screen. So I really love the back of this car, and also the front has a little Lotus logo, and also a few yellow parts on the car, which is pretty nice. This thing just looks like it just came out of Cyberpunk. This thing is like amazing. Look at the detail on this. There we go. Let's take a look at our next car. So next we got is the 69 Copo Camaro that we have, and it's very nice lemon yellow with some pretty cool chrome rings around the wheels. No back headlight tampos or any detail on the back, but we do have a little black stripe that goes on the sides and also the front lip of the car on top of the hood. Pretty cool car. It also says Camaro on the side, and doesn't really have any front headlight tampos on it. The car's just kind of plain really, but I do like the car. Look at that yellow. Oh my god, I think I have, here are my other Copos. We have the regular Copo, the tuned one, the convertible one, and we got also this purple one and this red one. So we got a few other Copo Camaros that we will add to the collection. Let's pop it here. Next we got is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. I really love the Ford Shelbys. They're just really cool. A very classic car. It has a little kind of weird thing here on the driver's seat, which I don't know what it is for. Pretty cool Hot Wheels race day deco on the car. It says Goodyear on the side, on top of the hood. It also has a pretty cool stripe that goes down the car. Has a Hot Wheels logo on the side and different colors on it, like red and blue and yellow. The tires have a pretty nice red chrome rings on them, and the windshield is also blue. But there it is. It's a very nice Shelby Cobra. Alright, now let's take a look at our next car. Guys, this is the first 2023 car I've ever unboxed. So all my other 2023 cars I have not unboxed yet. But still, look at this Subaru WRX. I love the design. It has pretty cool blue on it. Weird looking white stripe that kind of gets cut up at the end. Pretty cool Subaru logo on the front that's red. Has some headlight tampos on it. Very dark royal blue with some very nice white rims on it. No back headlight tampos, sadly, but still, this car is amazing. My first car for 2023. So here it is. Wow. First car for 2023. Let's go. And now, guys, we have a second car for 2023. This 1970 Pontiac Firebird. It has a pretty cool deco on it. I really love this model of the Pontiac Firebird, which I do have some the other variations. Here are the other two variations we have. We have the white one and also the red one. Now we have the blue one. We have a pretty cool deco on it. It has a number 70 meatball on top and also the side of the car. I love the ocean blue on the car, and you just see the engine just popping out of the hood. And all the weird designs on it. Pretty cool chrome engine. Also some chrome rims on it. Chrome 5-spokes. No back headlight tampos or front tampos. But still, the whole entire interior is made out of chrome, which I think is pretty cool. We have the other versions here. So let's put it right next to all the Pontiacs. Alright, next, let's take a look at this. I forgot what it's called. Formula something Plymouth. It doesn't have the name on it, does it? Oh yeah, 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. So I really love this color of the Plymouth. I don't know, I like the orange and all the flames on it, and also the chrome rings that are around the wheels. No front headlight tampos or back headlight tampos. But I do like that it has a little stripe that goes down the hood, and also the trunk. It also has a Plymouth logo on the side, on both sides, which is pretty cool. So look at that. I honestly love this casting. When we first got it, it's kind of like flipped over like this, so that kind of sucked. So let's put it here. Next we got our what is this? Lamborghini Hurricane LP604, which is a duplicate because I already have one right there on top. I have one right there, so I already have a second one. And oh, guys, the base is like look at that. The base. Yo, is this an error? Look, look. It's not supposed to do that. Yo, guys, I think we just found an error. Yo, we found an error. HotWheels error. So nothing much to say about this car. Pretty cool purple design with a small black stripe going down. Pretty cool back window for the engine. Lamborghini logo in the front. And look at that. Look, see the grill in the front? Yo, we got an error. 10-pack error. Look at that. It's an error. Oh my god. I did not know that it was an error. So we're just gonna put it here now. For now, we're just gonna put it here. Look at that. It's an error. Look, why does it come down? That is not supposed to happen. Well, alright guys. We're done with the 10-pack. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, down in the link description below. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just share it with your friends or like the video, subscribe. So yeah. Bye. Oh my, I can't believe there's an error. Bye.